We'll be testing the accuracy of the D'Addario clip-on guitar tuner alongside with the Strobostomp HD by Peterson, tuning the E string to pitch. So it's tuned to pitch on the D'Addario, but it's a little sharp on the Strobostomp. Still in tune, still good. So the E is tuned to pitch. It's kind of staying as still as it possibly can, but it's showing up a little flat here. So let's try the intonation. We're going to be doing the G string open. Okay, so it's in tune. Now let's try the 12th string. The intonation is holding on the Strobostomp. And it looks in tune on the D'Addario. So the D'Addario will be accurate and keep you in tune. I think it'll be good for everyday use for beginners, whether you're tuning your guitar, bass, or ukulele. But of course, it's not really meant to be super accurate. So if you need accuracy, or you're a perfectionist and you're gonna set up your guitar, or you're doing a lot of studio work, you want to make sure your guitar is always to the correct pitch, so you won't have the issues later. You'll use more of a precision tuner. But just for the average player, the D'Addario will work.